In today's quick video, we're going to be showing you how to fix the corrosion on contacts like this inside of small electronics. This is a little button light that just takes a couple AA batteries, but one of the batteries went bad here. So first thing you're going to do is tap it out, get any easily clearable stuff. This is an old used toothbrush that we're not using anymore, that we use for cleaning, and this is in need of some cleaning. Just get it all out of there if you can. Try not to get it back into the device, because if it gets onto the boards it can cause corrosion in there. Luckily the corrosion is just on this piece here and a little bit over here, so this one will be a really easy one. I've seen a much worse, but this is the same thing, will work for flashlights and all that. So get all the easily scrapable stuff off of there with your toothbrush. Next thing you're going to want is just a little half a cap full of distilled white vinegar. Let's clean all this up here. Next we're going to get a cap full of distilled white vinegar and some Q-tips. So we're going to go ahead and take those and just neutralize all of that corrosion. You can see already, look at that, bubbling up everywhere here. Try not to get it too wet so that it's soaking everywhere, but that'll just neutralize all of that acid so it's no longer acidic. It'll bring it back to, I don't know, base if you're from a science class or whatever. There you go. You can see that cleaned up pretty well just from the vinegar itself. Not so bad. I'm using the dry end of it now to clean up any excess. And if it's some really bad corrosion where it's turned green, things like that, then you can get your brush in there and really scrub any corrosion that was left after the vinegar. So if you get some vinegar on your toothbrush and just scrub any excess corrosion, or even get yourself a little flathead screwdriver and scrape any real thick deposits off as well. You don't want any left in there, because that will then just breed more corrosion with a new battery. You don't want to do that and ruin your new batteries. And lastly, I got a cap full of isopropyl alcohol. We'll bring that in here with our Q-tip as well to clean off any of the vinegar, and the alcohol evaporates really quickly, so that will restore this to be in fantastic shape, ready to run quite a while longer. Alcohol is safe on electronics as long as it's not got any power here. So just a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of alcohol, and a little bit of elbow grease. You're good to go. Now we're ready to throw some fresh rechargeable batteries in there that hopefully won't have any issues with corrosion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.